Hi there, Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is a soap inspired by, you guessed it, pears, berries, and avocados. I'm using French green clay in this recipe. I got this recipe from soapqueen.com. I'll link it below. It calls for avocado oil and avocado butter, and I thought that sounded fantastic, so I decided to make it. In here I am dispersing the colorants with a little bit of the measured out oils. For the French green clay, I used about a teaspoon per pound of oils, and I dispersed each teaspoon with a tablespoon of water. So I think I used about a teaspoon and a half of clay, so a tablespoon and a half of water, and it is very much a clay consistency, almost like a face mask. So I'm adding it to the oils and getting that stick blended before I add in the lye water solution. Definitely reminds me of pea soup. You already know what fragrance oil this is. Pearberry. I knew this probably wasn't going to work because of the French green clay, but I thought I'd give it a try anyway. It did thicken up very quickly, so I didn't get the look that I was going for, but I still went with it. And here I'm just taking a popsicle stick and trying to make it work. I had a little bit of the raspberry colored soap left over, so I was like, well, hey, how can I make this soap even worse? Like, oh, I know, I'll like put like little dollops of this thickened soap in it, and I'll just like make a pretty swirl with it, right? Like, no. Okay, well, now let me try dragging it across. Maybe it'll look, no. Maybe if I use a toothpick, things will get better, right? Like, no. It is what it is, right? I'll just cover it with the piping at this point. Time to see what's on my embed tray. I have some little raspberries and some pear slices, and I'm going to show you how I made them. Time to pipe with one of my favorite piping tips. And now it's time for your perfectly splendid mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot. I said perfectly splendid. Did anyone else watch The Haunting of Bly Manor? 2 days later, let's cut this soap. I think I like it. I think I like it a lot, actually. Got a little soda ash happening on the top, but I will steam that off later. I actually like the way the swirl on the inside looks too. It's not quite what I was going for, but I like it. Overall, I really like this soap. It is mid-November. I cannot believe how this year has somehow taken 10 years, but also it has gone by in a flash. I know I'm not the only one that feels that way. I wanted to get this video out so many weeks ago, but just wasn't able to find the time to get it done. I don't know, I'm just exhausted these days. Anyway, I did make 3 holiday themed soaps, and I think that all 3 of them turned out so freaking cute. If you follow me on Instagram at Pink Dahlia Soaps, I did post a picture of the top of 2 of them. If you'd like to see them, I will have those videos out within the next few weeks, definitely out before Christmas. They are available now for pre-order, just in case you are wondering. Until then, as always and forever, thank you so very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Take care. Bye-bye.